Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Verge Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Before we start, if you want to enable the phone notifications for this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp Life application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Zepp Life application on our phone. In the app, we can tap on Profile, select our Amazfit Verge Lite from the list of devices. On this page, find the options like incoming call and app alerts. First, let's tap on app alerts, or rather incoming call, my bad. So let's tap on it, and here we can enable the notifications for calls. So basically, if somebody calls you on your phone, your watch will vibrate and letting you know that somebody is calling you. Also, you will get the caller info, I believe, on the screen. And to enable this, simply tap on the switch next to incoming call alerts, and you will need to allow some permissions. So let's tap on got it right here. Then tap on allow access to phone right here on this information. Basically, if you see the yellow exclamation point right here, that means you need to allow something or enable something for this to work. So tap on it, tap on allow, tap on it again, tap on it on the allow, tap on it again, tap on allow, tap on it again, tap on go to settings. Now it will redirect you to the do not disturb mode access. Here find the Zepp Life application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and then you can tap on the back button to go back to app, to the Zepp Life application. And as you can see now, we don't have the warnings anymore. This means that we allowed the required permissions and the incoming call alert will work now. And we can customize it a little. We can enable or disable the option to show contact information. Also, we can delay the alerts. So basically, if somebody calls you, you can set the delay so the watch will vibrate after a certain period of time, and you can enable it and then tap on option called set delay and select the time, or rather duration of the delay. For example, let's select 30 seconds like this. Okay, so once you're done with calls, we can go to the app alerts. So let's tap on it, and here, as you can see, we have another warning message, so we need to enable more permissions or allow them. So let's tap on this warning, tap on OK, and it's gonna redirect you to the notification access. Here, select the Zepp Life application, tap on the switch to allow it, and tap on allow, and then tap on back button a couple of times to go back to the application. As you can see, we don't have the warnings anymore, so we can enable or disable the app alerts by tapping. We got the notification already, but we can enable them or disable them. We can also enable the option to only receive when the screen is off. So basically, if you enable this option and you're using your phone and the screen is on your phone, you won't receive notifications on your watch, even though you receive them on your phone, basically. But if you disable it, you will receive them when the screen is on. And now, as you can see below, we have the category called selected apps with alerts, and here we can basically customize from which apps you will get the notifications on your watch. And you can tap on manage apps right here at the bottom, right here, and you can select the apps installed on your phone to basically from which you want to receive the notifications. For example, I'm gonna select the Bluetooth, or rather not Bluetooth, my bad, YouTube, something like, I don't know, health, Me Fitness, maps, and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can go back and the apps will appear on this list. Of course, if you want to disable the notifications for certain apps, simply open manage apps and uncheck them. Oh, my bad, not this button, the back button, like this. Okay, and once you're done customizing your settings for the notifications, you should be able to receive the notifications at this point. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.